Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Melody Blue. Uh, I've got something that will make your life a whole lot easier. If you hate Amazon paper or Creative Space paper, uh, we can even work with printer paper, okay? You put that stuff on your paper and you can just hear that tooth compared to this. Yeah. Anyway, you can color with your markers, and there's no marker lines. Well, what you have to do to get to this stage is satin glazing liquid. This is by Golden. Uh, it's a slow drying extender for acrylics, which when I was doing acrylic pouring, but a bottle, I think I gave $10 for this bottle, and I guarantee you this will last you a long. You're not going to use much of that. So what you want to do is, we're going to pretend, okay? We're going to pretend that I put some of this in the palette. Now we need a brush. We need a wide brush, but we have to be careful which brush. This brush will look good. Well, it's wide enough, but see how rough it is here? We don't want that. What we want is a brush like this, where it's smooth and soft. That's what we want right there. This one is made by Ohuhu. So, you've got to apply it to your paper now. Now remember, we're pretending. So, you want a very, and I say very light layer going this way. Don't go like this everywhere. Come straight down, just painting it on there. Very thin. I mean, as thin as you can do it. Then you're going to let it set for a couple of hours. And then when you come back, you're going to apply this way. Not like all over, just like that. And then I would let it dry overnight, which is what I did. And then you can come in here and I'll show you how I did these red ones. If I could get it in. I hope this is in the... I took my pink marker, just like so, and I colored it in, just like so. And really, you don't have to worry about how you get it on there. You just get it on there. Because with this stuff, you don't have marker lines. See, I can scrub and scrub and scrub. There's no marker lines. And guess what? When you're coloring with your colored pencil, and you get pencil marks and all that. Not if you do it on top of this. So, this is what I did for those. And you can go as dark as you want with your marker. It doesn't matter. No marker lines. Now, I'll wait for that to dry. And then I will come in with my colored pencils. And I've been using this one. These are the Artisto brand. Strawberry jam and raspberry. I did those with my markers are by CaliArt. They are a brush nib, and they're a very, very, very fine liner. It's little. They're by CaliArt. They're a cheap set. But now I'm just waiting on this here to get dry. You know what? I think I might use this one this time. Now watch this magic. Can you see it? No pencil streaks. So it doesn't matter if you scribble. Just get your pencil on there. Of course, you will have to come in and do your shadow points here. You're gonna use a light, darker shade. I hope y'all can see that. Anyway, then I will go back with this is what are you? Strawberry jam, and I'm gonna color in those places with that, because this is darker. And you want to do your darker. See how it's right there. Now I could get another darker red, and I probably will. And some of this in there. Now how easy is that? Oh, and when you're done coloring the whole picture, your picture will look like it has been printed with ink. Just like somebody printed it out with ink. Like a magazine cover. Silky, shiny, yeah. So, that's what I wanted to bring to you today. Just thought, this is the answer to Amazon paper. This adds tooth to your paper. But it also lets you not have to layer and layer and layer like, you can, I was mashing down on these, and I can still put more color on top of it. So, if there's a page in a book, and it has no tooth or bad tooth, use this method. Now I got something I gotta finish. But that's okay, I'll finish it. It's just another work in progress. But, I hope y'all are having a good weekend. And, I am tired. But if you follow what I told you, you can do this. You don't have to do it in my colors, but I couldn't wait to color in this book, so I said, I'll do that technique on this. But yeah, it adds tooth. You can feel it. You don't hear it over here, but you hear it over here. It's got tooth galore. So instead of buying uh, expensive cans of, oh, what do they call it? That stuff to add tooth to your paper, you don't need to do that. All you need is this satin glazing liquid. Uh, Golden happened to be the brand I had on hand. So that's how you do it. You can always rewind the video if you forget how to do it. But once you get the coloring on it, it just, you don't need no explaining. You'll know how to do it. But I'm gonna tell y'all I love you. Peace out. Bye.